In this video, I will show you how to download and install Watch Car Manufacturer. First, we need to download the Steam app. Open your Google Chrome and search for store.steampowered.com. Link in description. Click on the Install Steam button on this page. Once you've done that, at the top right corner of your screen, click on the .exe file and open it. Complete the installation, and once finished, open your Steam app. In search bar, type Car Manufacturer and drop down you will see the game. If not, check video in description. If you see the game in drop down, click on the game. Now click on Add to Cart button beside original game. In new pop-up, click on View My Cart. Now click on blue Continue to Payment button. In payment methods, select your preferred payment method and proceed. After you're done with payment, next steps I will show with game I already own. After completing the purchase, go to your library. You can use the search box to find game you just bought or navigate directly to the games category. Next step I will show on game I own. First, click on the game you want to play. Now click Install. Complete installation process. When installation completed, click to play, and that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and help reach 1,000 subscribers mark so I can make more tutorials.